This is a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD Duramax. New paint, brand new tires, factory blue color, low miles with only 75,000 actual miles. Truck's running, so you can probably hear the roar of that Duramax diesel. Brand new Nexans, crew cab, tow mirrors, a rust-free truck, LS cloth interior, power windows, power locks, four-wheel drive, power driver's seat, see 76,514 miles, no lights on. Runs and drives like it should. Hear the Duramax power. AC and heat work. All power equipment works as it should. Very nice truck. Priced at $23,995 and ready to be yours today. Come see us at Godwin Motors.